You stand here today, poised on the precipice of a brighter tomorrow, aspiring to be more than you are. Your vision of success, your dreams, already set you apart from 95% of the world. You see, success isn't some quaint destination you stumble upon. It's a battleground where only the fiercest, the most persistent emerge victorious. It's time we strip away the glossy facade of success and confront the raw, unfiltered reality. Success doesn't cower in the face of failure. It thrives on it, feeds on it, and transforms it into the fuel that propels us forward. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, we've lost sight of the power embedded in every setback, every stumble, every rejection. Failure is not the enemy. It's the ally that sharpens our edges, tempers our resolve, and hones our character. It's the crucible where dreams are forged and warriors are born. Consider this. If Michael Jordan had feared missing, he would never have taken a shot. If Steve Jobs had feared rejection, there would be no iPhone. So ask yourself, do you want to be someone who fears failure or someone who embraces success? You must choose, for one path leads to failure, the other to success. If you embrace success, nothing can stand in your way. The naysayers will be silenced. They'll tell you that only 1% reach the top. So what? Only 1% stick with their fitness program long enough to see results. Only 1% of gamers stick with a game long enough to master it. Only 1% of relationships endure. That doesn't mean you have a 1% chance. It means you can't act like the 99%. You must do better than giving up after a month. Look around you. Are you like the 99%? If so, you're watching the wrong video. You must embrace success as much as they fear failure. That's what will drive you forward. Fear of failure won't get you anywhere. In fact, when you start pursuing success, you will fail. Maybe 10 times, maybe 100, maybe 1,000, but that's okay. Failure isn't forever. You can always get back up, stronger, wiser, and more determined, and for every 10 failures, you'll find one success. You must love success so much that you're willing to fail 10 times to succeed once. That's the mark of a winner. Let me dispel a myth that many believe leads to success. If you're afraid to fail, you won't. That's a lie. I used to believe that fear of failure would keep me from failing. I would look at the failures around me and vow never to become like them. I thought this mindset would lead me to success. Then one day I met an old man named Robert. He loved walking even though he often fell. I told him he should stay safe indoors. He told me he loved walking more than he feared falling. He said, living means doing what you love. If I have to fall now and then to do what I want in life, so be it. That statement made me think. It made me realize that fear of failure doesn't prevent failure. Embracing what you love, embracing success, that's what leads to success. That's when I realized the true key to success. You see, I always thought if I could just fear the act of failing, and if I fear it like crazy, I will succeed, because I thought the fear would magically motivate me to get out there and start taking action. But after that day, I realized something. I realized it's the love for success that will lead me to succeeding. So just imagine if Robert feared falling, would he even start walking? Of course not. He wouldn't even do what he loved to do. He would sit at home and take no type of action, but he loved walking, wasn't even scared to fall. It gave him life. That's what allowed him to get up and do it. He loved walking so much. He was willing to fall 10 times a day just to do it. And you have to be the same. So the next time someone tells you you're going to fail, you know what you tell them, tell them. They're right, but you're not afraid to fail. You're not afraid to take action. You're not afraid to jump. You're going to fail 10 times, but you know what? It's cool, because on the 11th time you'll succeed. Oh, you'll succeed, all right, and it'll feel good. And while you're over here living the life of your dreams in complete happiness, guess where they're going to be? That's right, they'll be failures. The real failures over there, where it's safe, scared to fail. Think about the greats, the trailblazers, the legends who carved their names into the annals of history. Did they reach the pinnacle of success by tiptoeing around failure? Hell no. They faced it head-on, embraced it like a long-lost friend, and let it mold them into forces to be reckoned with. Michael Jordan didn't make every shot, but he never let a miss define him. Thomas Edison didn't stumble upon the light bulb on his first try. He endured countless failures before lighting up the world. So why do we tremble in the face of failure? Why do we let setbacks shatter our dreams? It's time to flip the script, to redefine our relationship with failure. Failure is not the end, it's the beginning of your ascent. It's the signal that you're pushing boundaries, that you're venturing where others fear to tread. Do you think Elon Musk, the maverick of innovation, reached the stars without tasting the bitterness of failure? Do you think Oprah Winfrey, the queen of media, sailed through life without weathering storms of rejection? No. They weren't immune to failure, they were immunized by it. Failure fueled their determination, steeled their resolve, and propelled them to heights unimaginable. Let me be clear, I'm not asking you to revel in failure, to romanticize defeat. I'm demanding you confront it, dissect it, and extract the lessons it conceals. Failure is the compass pointing you in the direction of growth, the North Star guiding you towards your destiny. In this relentless pursuit of success, you will fall, you will stumble, you will face rejection. But remember this, each fall is a step towards greatness. Each stumble a leap towards mastery, each rejection a catalyst for resilience. Today I challenge you to defy the fear of failure, embrace it with open arms. Let it be the wind beneath your wings, propelling you to heights you never dared to dream. Success isn't for the faint-hearted, it's for the warriors who turn failure into their most potent weapon. So go out there and fail spectacularly, my fellow warriors. Fail until the naysayers are silenced, until the doubters are in awe of your indomitable spirit. In the arena of success, it's not the timid who triumph, it's the relentless, the audacious, the warriors who understand that with every failure, they inch closer to the sweet taste of victory. Failure is not the end, it's the prologue to your epic tale of triumph. Keep failing and you will succeed. This is not a mere suggestion, it's a declaration, a battle cry that echoes through the corridors of time. Now go, warriors, and let the world bear witness to your relentless pursuit of greatness.